Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how does Klarna monthly payments actually work. So we are here right now inside the Klarna app on our mobile device. And as you can see here, these are the available items that you can use for Klarna. So Klarna has three different options. You can pay for the entire amount for the next month, or you can pay it in 3 installments, which has no interest at all. Or you can choose to pay for multiple months, but with interest on it. So some of these options may not be available for someone who is new to Klarna. This is because the Klarna app would want to see how much or how well you are utilizing all of the finances that you have. And let's just take a look at an example of how we can use Klarna for monthly payments. So let's say, for example, we want to take a look at some electronics. So we can go ahead and click on electronics. And then let's say I want to buy this Apple iPad 10.9 inch, this one. Once we click on this, we can see all of the available shopping locations where we can buy this item. So when I click on show all, you can see how much each of these are. So let's say that we want to buy the item in laptops direct. Right here, let's click on the website. This will then take us to the website itself. And then we can go ahead and make our choices. And then we can then add to basket. Once that we've added to basket, let's go to the basket itself. And then let's go ahead and check out. And then you would need to add in your details and your address. And as you can see here, you would need to add the payment details as well. Now, when we're going to add the payment details, let's take note of the price. So it's $484.97. And to use Klarna, we can go ahead and click pay on the bottom left. Right here, you can see it. And then click pay with Klarna. Now we will need to add the amount. So that's $484.97. And then you can see here that for the pay in 3 options, or paying things in 3 monthly installments, it would cost you $161.65 for today, for in the next 30 days, and in the next 60 days. So that's a 30-day difference in between. Ultimately the same as a 3-month monthly payment without any interest. Once that you're happy with the purchase, you can go ahead and click continue. This will then give you the details that you would need to add to the payment. And then that would mean that the details would be added using Klarna. So you have paid your amount through Klarna, and that's exactly how the monthly payments work. Now let's take a look at an example of how that has worked through Klarna. So previously I have bought an item in Moss, and as you can see here, these are the monthly payments that I have paid for each one. The very last one I have paid in advance. So it doesn't mean that you have to pay them directly or every single 30 days. If you can pay it in advance, then you can go ahead and do so. Again, the better you show your usage of your Klarna account, the better the offers that you can get. So as you can see here on the scheduled, I have bought a concert ticket, and this actually does not have any interest within it because I have been using my Klarna account pretty well. And again, that's, as I mentioned, depending on how you use Klarna, if you show that you're able to use your finances well, then they would give you better offers for your items right here. And there you go. So that's exactly how you can use Klarna for monthly payments. So you choose the product which are available in the app, or you can choose the desktop version as well. And then the most common way for paying for Klarna is a 3-month no interest installments, and then this will help you to show that you can use your finances really well. And also, if you want to be able to spread out your cost, you can go ahead and do that. Well, there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will talk to you next time.